Hi everyone, I am Sanat from IIT Bombay, fresher at Electrical Engineering. I am currently in my second year now, and today we will be solving linear inequalities. This is chapter 5 of NCERT, class 11th. We will be solving miscellaneous exercise. As we can see, there are 14 questions. We will solve all of them today. And as you know, this chapter we just have to solve for different values of x, which satisfies this linear inequality. Okay, so in this we have to find the range of values of x which will satisfy this inequality. Okay, so let us start by first question, that is 2 is less than equal to 3x minus 4 less than equal to 5. Okay, let us start question number 1, that is 2 less than equal to 3x minus 4 less than equal to 5. So let me tell you the rules first. Like the first rule is we can add and subtract any quantity on both sides, and we can multiply and divide by any quantity on the both the sides, any positive quantity. And if we multiply and divide by negative quantity, the sign of the inequality changes. Okay, so there are only two rules. This chapter is very simple. We can easily solve this. So let us first add 4 on both the side. Adding 4 on both the side gives us 2 plus 4 is 6 less than equal to 3x less than equal to 9. Now as we can see, we need x, so divide 3 by both on both the sides. Dividing by 3, we get 2 less than equal to x less than equal to 3, and this is our solution, that is x belongs to 2 to 3, including both 2 and 3. So yes, as we saw that in this we have given linear inequality, like 2 is less than equal to 3x minus 4 less than equal to 5. We just have to find the range of x which satisfies this inequality. Okay, so first we will add 4 to get rid of this. Then we will divide by 3 to get x, such that x is between 2 and 3, including both of them. Okay, so we will report our answer as this. Okay, so yes, it was pretty simple, as you can see. We have similar questions. Let us move on to some more questions to get a practice of this. Okay, so second question is 6 is less than equal to minus 3 times 2x minus 4 less than equal to 12. So I will write down the question first. 6 less than equal to, this is question number 2. 6 is less than equal to minus 3 times 2x minus 4 less than 12. So first of all, now simplify this bracket, the middle bracket. Like first open this and simplify. On simplifying this, we will see 6 is less than equal to minus 6x plus 12 is less than equal to 12. Okay. Now again same procedure, like subtract 12 on both the side to get 6 minus 12 is minus 6 less than equal to minus 6x less than equal to 0. Now we will divide by minus 6. I told you, dividing by minus 6, we need to change the inequality as it is negative number. Okay. So dividing by minus 6 will give me, this is plus 1, sorry. Plus 1 greater than equal to x greater than 0. Like we have changed the inequality. Okay. We have changed the sign of the inequality. This was less than equal to. Now it became greater than equal to, as we have divided by negative number. So we got our answer, that is x belongs to 0 to 1, excluding 0 and including 1. You can see it is very simple. X belongs to 0 to 1. Now let us move on to the next question. That is question number 3. This is kind of similar. Now it is just, it has given some fractions. Like minus 3 is less than equal to 4 minus 7x by 2 less than equal to 18. Okay. So let us solve this. Minus 3 less than equal to 4 minus 7x by 2 less than equal to 18. Again subtracting 4 on both the side. Minus 7 less than equal to minus 7x by 2 less than equal to 14. Okay. Now we will multiply minus 2 by 7 on both the sides. Multiplying minus 2 by 7 to get this x, we have to change the inequality. Minus 2 by 7. So this will give us 2 greater than equal to x greater than equal to minus 2 by 7 we have multiplied. So minus 2 by 7 will give us minus 4. So our answer will be x belongs to minus 4 to 2, including both of them. As you can see, this was again very simple. Just to have solved the fraction. Now to get x, we have multiplied minus 2 by 7 here. Multiplying minus 2 by 7 gives this x, this 2, and this minus 4, and we got our range of x. Okay, so this was question number 3. Let us move on to question number 4. So question number 4, again kind of similar. Minus 15 less than equal to 3 times x minus 2 by 5 less than equal to 0. We will first open the bracket, then multiply by 5 by 3 to get. First we will multiply by 5 by 3, then we will open the bracket actually to get it more simple. Okay. So this is quite straightforward. Nothing as such to think about it. Just solve. Okay. Multiply by, like I will write the question first. Minus 15 less than equal to 3 times x minus 2 by 5 less than equal to 0. Multiplying by 5 by 3 gives me minus 25 less than equal to x minus 2 less than equal to 0. Okay. So add 2, minus 23 less than equal to x less than equal to 2. So our answer will be, actually there is a mistake. Okay, so this was not equal to, we have equality on one side. Okay, no problem. So our answer will be x belongs to minus 23 comma 2, that is minus 23 to 2 including 2. So this is our answer. Again we saw this is quite straightforward, very easy to solve. Just keep on solving. Multiply, first multiply by 5 by 3, then add 2 to get the value of x. Okay, so as you can see, we have done, what we have done is just simplified. Multiply by 5 by 3, then add 2 to get this answer. Okay, so now let us move on to question number 5. Question number 5 is again of same kind, like minus 12 is less than 4 minus 3x by minus 5. So we will write this at 12. 4 plus 3x by 5, we can write it as. Okay, so let me write down the question first. Okay, question number 5, minus 12 less than 4 plus 3x by 5, we can write it as 4 plus 3x by 5. Okay, less than equal to 2. Subtract minus 4 on both, subtract 4 on both the sides. That is minus 16 less than 3x by 5 less than equal to minus 2. Okay, so now we will multiply 5 by 3 on both the sides to get x. That is, it will become minus 80 by 3 less than x less than equal to minus 10 by 3. So this is our answer. We got our first answer as fraction. Okay, no worries. X belongs to minus 80 by 3 comma minus 10 by 3 including minus 10 by 3. Okay, see, again what we have done is like solve this inequality. First we have subtracted 4 to get rid of this, then we have multiplied by 5 by 3 to get this coefficient of x as 1, and again we have solved. There are basically two rules. Just add, you can add any number or subtract any number without changing the inequality, and if you, and we can multiply and divide by any positive number without changing the inequality, and if we multiply and divide by a negative number, the sign of inequality will change. Okay. So this chapter is quite straightforward and simple. Like there are no such things. This is very basics. Okay, so you can easily solve this. So let us move on to question number 6. We can read the question number 6 again. Same. First we will multiply by 2, then we will subtract 11. Okay. So let us start again. The question is 7 less than equal to 3x plus 11 by 2 less than equal to 11. Multiplying by 2 will give me 14 less than equal to 3x plus 11 less than equal to 22. Subtracting by 11 will give me 3 less than equal to 3x less than equal to 11. Okay, again divide by 3. 1 less than equal to x less than equal to 11 by 3. We got our answer. Just report the answer as x belongs to including 1 including 11 by 3 x belongs to 1 to 11 by 3. So this is a range of value of x which satisfy our given inequality. Again, no doubt simple question. Just multiply by 2, subtract 11, divide by 3. Okay, then easily see this. So now let us move to question number 7. So here we have first completed this. Now we will start question number 7 to 14, 7 to 10, sorry, and represent the solution graphically. So this is again thing. Just we have to solve the inequality. Then we have to represent this as a form of graph. Okay. So like we will first solve this first part. Like we are given two inequalities. So we will get a range of value of x to satisfy both the inequality. We will find the range of x. Then we will draw on number line. Okay. So this is simple. Again, same kind. Just find the value of x, then we will represent on number line. Okay, so our first part is 5x plus 1 greater than minus 24. Sorry, 5x plus 1 greater than minus 24. So subtract 1. 5x is greater than minus 25. Or we can say x is greater than minus 5. Okay, so this was our first inequality. Our second inequality was 5x minus 1 less than 24. Here we will add 1 and divide by 5 to get 5x is less than 25, which implies x is less than 5. Okay, so we got our range of x. Let me write in a different color. That is minus 5. So this is our answer of the inequality. Now let us represent in a number line. We will draw a number line. Here we will write minus 5. Here we will write 5. This is our answer. Okay, just mark the other points: minus 4, minus 3, dot dot dot, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now again, as we can see, we have to exclude, change the color. As you have to exclude minus 5, draw a hollow circle at minus 5, draw a hollow circle at 5 as we have to exclude it. Now just draw a line, just darken the middle region. Okay, so we draw a hollow circle for excluding and we draw complete dot for including. So yes, this is our answer, number line. First we have to find the range of x, then we can represent it in number line. Okay, so let us practice more. Let us move on to question number 8. Okay, question number 8 is again same. We are given two inequalities. That is 2 times x minus 1 less than equal to x plus 5. 3 times x plus 2 is greater than this. And again we will get a range of x and we will draw it in a number line. Okay. So let us start solving. I will open the bracket, that is 2 times x minus 1 will gives me 2x minus 2. Okay. So I will write it as 2x minus 2 will be less than x plus 5. As we can see, we can subtract x and add a 2. So x is less than 7. Okay. This was our first inequality. And our second inequality, we can open the bracket to see 3 times x plus 2 will give me 3x plus 6. And this is greater than 2 minus x. So all we need to do is add x and subtract minus 6. So this will become 4x greater than minus 4, x greater than minus 1. So again I will change the color and write that our solution of x is minus 1 greater than x, no sorry, x lies between minus 1 to 7. We can combine this inequality and this inequality to write this as our answer. That is x belongs to minus 1 to 7. Again we will draw the number line and here you can again show the points, that is minus 1, minus 2, 0, 1, 2. You can solve the points up to 7. Then again we have to exclude. So on minus 1 draw a hollow circle, on 7 draw a hollow circle, just darken the line. Okay, so this is our number line representation. First we have to solve the range of x, then we can draw the number line. These are quite straightforward and simple questions. As you can see, you can easily solve them. And This chapter is one of the easiest chapter of JEE Mains. Like you will get straightforward solving linear inequalities and you can easily solve them. Okay. So now question number 9, again of same kind. We will open the bracket. Then we will solve both the inequalities to get a range of x. Then we will plot it on number line. Okay. So let us solve this. 3x minus 7 greater than 2x minus 12. 3x minus 7 is greater than 2x minus 12. I have opened the bracket. Okay. Subtracting 2x and adding 7, we get uh, x is greater than minus 5. Okay. And our second inequality was minus x plus. Our second inequality was 6 minus x is greater than 6 minus x is greater than 11 minus 12. Add 2x and subtract 6. Easily to see this is x greater than 5. Again, we got the same answer as question number 6, I think. Okay. No, actually, no. We did not get our same answer. See, we have got both the greater sign. Okay. So, okay, this is something different. Like, see, we got our first answer x greater than minus 5. And we got our second answer x greater than 5. Okay. So, we have to satisfy both the inequalities simultaneously. So, every number greater than minus 5 is greater than every number greater than 5. Okay, so let us take a 6, 7, 8 is always greater than x is equal to minus 5. Okay, so our main equality is this x greater than 5. So on combining both this, we get our main inequality as x greater than 5. Okay, so every number greater than 5 is always greater than equal to minus 5. So yes, so we will plot x greater than 5 on our number line. This is 4, this is 5, this is still infinite. So this can also be written as x belongs to z in 5 excluding 5 till infinite. It is all the number greater than 5. Okay, so this 5 we have to exclude and we will go till infinite. Okay, so this is our answer. This is quite different. We got our both the inequalities is greater than sign. So we did not get a range of x bounded. So okay. So we will write 5 to infinite as this is our main inequality because every number greater than 5 is also greater than minus 5. Okay. You can check it by example taking 6. Okay, so let us move on to question number 10. So in question number 10, again we have got two inequalities. We have to solve it. Solving inequality will get a range of x. Then we will plot it on number line. Kind of similar. Very easy to solve. Let us start. So on solving the first inequality, we can easily see that opening the bracket and doing the basic steps will give me 2x plus 19. 2x plus 19 is less than 6x plus 47. This is our second inequality. On solving this, we get just add minus 6. Sorry, subtract minus 6x and subtract minus 19. We will get minus 4x is less than 28, which is x greater than equal to minus 7. This is my second inequality, and my first inequality was 10x minus 30. 10x minus 35 minus 6x minus 9, opening the brackets, less than equal to 0. As you can see, this is 4x is less than equal to 44, I think, yes. So x is less than equal to 11. So now we get our bounded, that is x is less than equal to 11. So this is the border, this is second inequality, this is first inequality. And we have got x greater than equal to minus 7. This is our range of x. Okay. Now let us draw the number line and plot this. So these are again quite simple. Just solve, draw, and you are done. Minus 7, minus 6, dot, 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 0, 1, 1. Okay. So now we have to include -7. So I will draw not hollow but completely filled dot on 11 also, and just shade this region. So our answer will be x including -7 less than equal to 11. Okay. So what we saw was from question number 7 to 10. What we have to do is solve both the inequalities, get the range of x and draw it on number line. Okay. So this is quite simple. Now let us go on to question number 11. As we can see, this is a word problem. Okay. So now we have given the inequalities. Now we have to read the word problem, form inequalities, then find our range of x. Okay. So what is it is given at is a solution is to be kept between 68 degree Fahrenheit and 77 degree Fahrenheit. What is the range in temperature of in Celsius? Okay, so what we have given is we have also given the conversion formula, that is F is equal to 9 by 5 C times plus 32. Okay, so we have to keep the solution between 68 degree Fahrenheit and 77 degree Fahrenheit. What we can write this as 68 Fahrenheit. In Fahrenheit scale, we have to keep it between 68 and 77. Okay. So in Celsius scale, what we have to find? So we will write 68. We will write the formula for conversion, that is 9C by 5 plus 22 is less than 77. By writing this, we can find this C. Okay, let me change the color for C. This is our C. Okay, so now our variable is changed and we can solve this to get the range of C, okay, from the range of F. So this is again simple inequality. Subtract 32, multiply by 5 by 9. On subtracting 32, we get here 36 less than 9 by 5 times C less than 32. If we will subtract this, will be 45. Okay, so multiplying 5 by 9, we get 20. 4 into 5, 20. So 20 less than equal to C less than equal to, we multiply 5 by 9, we get 5 5 so 25. Okay, so this is our C. So we got our range of C, that is 20 and 25. So the solution must be kept between 20 degrees Celsius to 25 degrees centigrade. Okay, so how we got this? So this is simple. First we have given this in Fahrenheit scale. Our temperature was 68, between 68 and 77. So we wrote it in equality form. Then instead of F, we substituted our formula, that is F is 9C by 5 plus 32. So we have introduced C here, and solving this inequality, we get the range of C. Okay, so like this we can solve it. This is was question number 11. Okay, let us move on to question number 12 to get some more practice of word problems. So in question number 12, what we have given is a solution of 8% boric acid is to be diluted by adding 2% boric acid. The resultant mixture is to be more than 4% but less than 6% of boric acid. If we have 640 liters of 8% solution, how many liters of 2% solution we have to add? Okay, so this is kind of including some chemistry in this. Okay, 8% boric acid is simply 8 by 100% of liter, total solution liter. Okay, so what we have to do is, so let us first see what we have to find. We have to find how many liters of 2% solution to be added. So take this as to be X. Let X be the 2% boric acid solution in liters. Okay. Okay, so what we have given is we are adding 2% boric acid. Okay. So let us find the boric acid content. That is 2 by 100 of X plus in the solution. Okay. So we have 640 liter and we have added X liter. So boric acid content will be 2x by 100 from, that is from 2% X, and 8% of 640, that is 8 by 100 into 640. This is our boric acid content. Okay. So this must be greater than and less than. So we have given this must be greater than 4 by 100, that is 4% of solution. So our new solution will be 640 plus x, and this is less than 6% of the solution. 6 by 100 into 640 plus x. So here the main problem on following this inequality. So let me explain again how I found this inequality. So we have 8% 640 liter boric solution. Okay. So the acid content will be 8 by 100 into 640 liter. This is the amount of acid, and in we have added 6x liter of 2%. So that acid content will be 2 by 100 of x. So this is our total acid content, and we have given this total acid content must be between 4 and 6% of the solution. So 4 and 6% of the new solution. We have added x liter to 640 liter. So our volume is now 640 plus x. Okay. So 4 by 100 and 6 by 100 of 640 plus x. So we can see now we will solve this fraction, like multiply every term by 100, I guess. If we multiply every term by 100, we get and let us divide every term by 2 also, so 100 by that. So let us multiply every term by 50, I guess. Okay. Okay, whatever you do, we will get inequality is what we will get. Let me solve. Okay. So multiply every term by 50, we get 1280 plus 2x. This is 50, this will become x. This is 640 times 4. 640 times 4 is 2400 and 160. It is 2560. And this is by 53 times. So 1920 plus 3x. Okay, so you can separately solve, or you can directly solve. Like, so we have to separately solve. We will consider this as our inequality 1. This we will consider again this is equality 2. You can see solving this will give me x is greater than x is greater than 320. Sorry, this will give me x is less than. So I'm doing a calculation mistake here. So this will give me x is less than. We will subtract this one to. We will get 1280. Okay. So our first inequality is x is less than 2018, and our second inequality will give me 1280. 2x is less than. Okay, so here we will get x is greater than. We get x is greater than 320. Okay, you can check it by solving. So what we finally got is the value of x must lie between 320 plus x less than 1280. Okay, so this is in liters. So I will repeat like what we have done. So we have given solutions 2% and 8%. We have found total acid content, and we have like given the new acid, the new solution we get, it must lie between 4 and 6% acidic. So we have just applied chemistry here. Like we have wrote the formula: 4 by 100% of total solution, 6 by 100% of total solution, and this is our acid content, that is 2 by 2% of x and 8% of 640 liters. To get this inequality, we have solved this inequality to get our two values of x, range of x. So we got our answer is this. Okay, so this is our answer. So let us move on to next question. That is question number 13. Again, one more word problem. Again, this is kind of similar. How many liters of water we have to add to 115 liter of 45% solution of acid, so that resulting mixture will contain more than 25% was less than 30% of acid content. Okay. So again, we have to find the variable first, like how many liters of water. So let me take x as the liter of water. Okay. X volume of water. Okay, so x is our volume of water. So we initially have 45% of 1125 liters. So our if we add water, water has 0% acid, so we don't need to consider its acidic. So what we will get is our new solution. It is x% of, like in water 0%, so we know to include water. But we have to include 45 by 100, 45 by 100 of 1125 liter. This is our acid. This is greater than 25% of acidic compound. So water will be dilute. Our new volume will be 1125 plus x. This is our inequality number 1. And secondly, same solution is less than 30% acidic. 30% of new volume is 1125 plus we have added 1125 that is given already, and we have added x liter. Okay, this is kind of similar to question number 12. So this is same. This is same. Okay, it is 45 by 100 into 1125. This is our equation 1. Okay, so what we have given x liter, we have taken volume of water. So our acidic content initially it is 45 by 100% of 1125. It should be between 25 and 30% of the new solution. So new solution will contain 1125 liters plus x liter of water. So 25 by 100 of 1125 plus x less than and 30 by 100 of 1125 plus x. So let us solve this inequality. We can solve this inequality like first inequality. First inequality is basic. We can cut here 100 and you can see 45 into 1125. 45 into 1125 is greater than 25 into 1125 plus x. Let's divide by 25 here. If we divide by 25, we get 2025 is greater than 1125 plus x. So we get x is less than 900. This is our first inequality. Similarly, second inequality again we can solve like multiply and divide. Like again we have to multiply by 100 then divided by 30. 2500 divided by 30 to get 3375. So 3375, yes. Okay, 3375 is less than 2250 plus 2x plus 2x. So we can solve this to get a x is greater than 562.15. Okay, 5. Okay, sorry for my bad handwriting actually. This is 562.5. So again, we got our range of x. That is x. We can combine these two. Okay, this is inequality 1. This is inequality 2. You can combine it to write x is less than 900 and x is greater than 562.5. So these are the values of x which satisfy the inequality. So amount of water we have to add, that is it must be between 562.5 liters and less than 900 liters. Okay, again some kind of similar word problem. Just have to form the inequality and solve. So let us move on to the next question. So this is our last question. So yes, let us solve another word problem. What we have given is IQ of the person. IQ of a person is given by the formula. IQ is MA by CA into 100. So what is MA and CA? We have given MA is the mental age. CA is the chronological age. Chronological age is basically age, normal age, like 16, 17, 18 years. Okay. And what we have given is if the IQ lies between 80 and 140 for a group of 12-year-old children. So we have given CA is equal to 12. Find the range of mental age. Okay, so it is again form kind of similar to Fahrenheit degree Celsius problem. Let us find the inequality first. Okay, what we have given is IQ is 80 less than equal to IQ less than equal to 140. Then we can write the formula of IQ. Okay, to substitute the formula of IQ as mental age divided by chronological age into 100 is less than equal to 140. So in the given question, we have given chronological age to be 12. You can substitute CA equals 12. So we got our inequality. Just have to find the range of mental age. So multiply by 12 and divide by 100. Multiplying by 12 will give me 8, 12 is 96, 960 is less than MA into 100 is less than 14 times 12 is 140 and 28, 168, 1680. We can divide by 100 to get our mental age. If we divide by 100, this will become 16.8, and this will become 9.6, including both of them. Okay, so this is our answer. What we have done is kind of similar. We have given this inequality in the question itself, that IQ must lie between 80 and 140. We have given the formula that IQ is mental age by chronological age into 100, and the group is the study. Data study given is for 12 years old. So we can substitute CA equals 12. Okay, so we can only variable left is MA. So we can solve the inequality to get the range of MA. So this is our answer. Okay, so we have completed this exercise. It was a fun exercise, and I think you will find it simple. Like what we have to do is simply solve. Like first we have solved inequalities to find the range of X. Simply simplifying by again two rules. You can add the number, subtract the number, multiply and divide by any number. It must be positive, so the sign does not change. And if it is negative, the sign will change. Then question number 7 to 10, just we have solved the same kind of inequalities and represented on the number line. Then question number 11, 12, 13, 14 are word problems. Here first we have to understand the question carefully and then form the inequality. Once the inequality is formed, solving is very easy, as we know how to solve. What the student generally faces problem in forming the inequality. So I will suggest to read the question carefully. Like this is, we have given the Fahrenheit is 6877. So write it in equality that F lies between 68 and 77. Then substitute F. If you will substitute F, we got our variable C. Then we can solve. Okay, similar to the question 13 and 14. You can solve it easily. I have explained. You can check it once. Okay, so IQ is MA by CA. This is kind of similar. Just substitute the value of IQ here and you will get. So we have completed this chapter, linear inequalities. This was our miscellaneous exercise. Okay, I hope you can solve this now. Okay, so thank you. Okay, see you again. Bye.